Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on Citrus ATR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, and in the search bar, type in System. citrusatr.com. It will take you to the login portal for your Citrus ATR. Over here, enter the username within the username section, and in the password section, enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on the login button. You will be logged into your Citrus ATR account. In case if you guys forgot your password, click here Forgot Your Password to recover it. Also, you guys can sign in with Microsoft Work or School account or with your Zero account by clicking on the respective buttons over here. So that's much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, hit the bell icon for the latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.